All right, in this video, we're just going to have a look at how you assign a material to a generic model. Okay, so what we have here is architecture component model in place. All right, now I've just created this as an extrusion. Okay, so what we want to do now is have a look at how we give it a material. So I'm going to use the edit in place. So we're back into the actual editing of the model. And now I can look over here in the properties and we've got family types. So if we look in the properties at the moment, there's no material. But if we go to family types, we can now look at this new parameter and go down to data type and find material. And then I'm just going to call this material by there. Okay. And say OK. And then look, we've got the material by category, so we can just select OK. And now, when we click on this, we actually have material by category is now listed. So we can now change the material to whatever we want it to be. Click OK, and we can see how this one has now changed from its generic material to the material that is actually desired. So thank you for watching this video. I do hope you've found it helpful. Please do like and subscribe if you haven't already done so. It really does help with the channel growth. I do appreciate it. Thank you.